Hi everyone and welcome back to our equipment system tutorial series. In the last episode we got to the point of creating a character's character sheet. So when we push C it shows the character sheet with their 3D widget, their stats at the bottom and showing an empty inventory slot for each of these armor slots. So the next step is to actually start creating our own armor into a data table and be able to import that in and make it start showing up in those inventory slots. So in this episode we're going to set up the CSV and how to get that started. So for CSV to work, CSV by the way stands for comma separated values. It's just a way of storing data very easily between commas. So to get to work in Unreal we need a data structure first, so we've already created one and that's our armor data. So we're going to open this up and you can see here all these variables here. Now all of these are going to be your headers. Okay, so I'm actually going to get rid of my armor ID one, so I'm going to click on the little cross there. So I've just got name, armor type, rarity, armor, strength, stamina, mana, intellect and agility. So you want these are going to be your headers inside of the Excel spreadsheet. So open up Excel and what you want to do is have the first column empty, because that's going to store your ID numbers. So 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. But then the next columns will have the headers. So we're going to have name, armor type, rarity, armor, strength. It's important to note it must be spelled exactly the same. Mana, intellect, and agility. So here, let's put some data in here. So I'm going to have the leather helm here. That's going to be a head type. It's going to be uncommon, and its armor value is going to be 20. Its strength is going to be 0. Stamina is going to be 4, 0, 0, 0. And we go breastplate of the dragon. That's going to be a chest type. It's going to be a, let's go for epic. Epic. And it's going to have 560 armor. It's going to offer 30 strength, 50 stamina, 0 mana, 0, 0. And you can keep going on and on and on. So you're just adding lines of data for each of your armor pieces. Once you've done that, don't fret, you can always go back into it and re-import it back into Unreal. It'll work no matter what. Okay, so as long as these are named exactly the same as these, you can now save this. So go File, Save As, and let's go to this PC, sort of desktop, and I'm going to call it Equipment CSV, and the Save As type is going to be a CSV. Click Save. Yes, we're going to store in that format. And I'm also going to store this as the Excel format too. Excellent. Once done that, close it. Otherwise you won't be able to import it in. And I'm just going to import that CSV into Unreal. Now it's going to ask me what I want to import it as. I want to import it as a table of data, so data table. And I want to then choose the row type to be the armor data. Click OK. And if I open this up, you should see now the ID numbers associated to rows. We've got the name of it, the armor type, the rarity, the armor value, strength, stamina, mana value, intellect and agility. So now we have this data right here. That means we can now draw this to the screen, which we'll do in the next episode. So if you want to see the episode right now, head over to Patreon, show some support, just like these people have. Big thank you to all of you. We couldn't be doing this without you. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.